This took all day, and it looks like crap. My tape job.
It actually looks kind of cool.
All right, it looks kind of cool. What's up, guys? Today I'm going to try to attempt to finish this project I started. We're going to be doing some upholstery work, and I'm going to show you how I do it. So y'all come along. All right, so now I've got all my area prepped and ready to go. I've got to go hunt down these parts. I hope I can find them all, because who knows? Let's go find them. Alrighty, so now I've got all my pieces cut. I've only wrapped this piece so far. I did a test spot and it worked out great. I actually cut it with my fingernail, but I'm gonna try to wrap this gauge cluster. Everywhere that it's silver right here, I'm gonna wrap. Then we're gonna tape it off and paint it, because I don't wanna put the wrap on there and it peel the paint off while I'm wrapping it. So we're gonna try this out, and y'all are gonna see if it works or if it doesn't work. Alright guys, so I've got the vinyl laid out on my piece, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this heat gun right here and I'm going to apply a light heat so I can get the vinyl to lay down around the edges, and then I can cut it.
You got 4 of them cut out, buddy.
Yeah, it's kind of a learning process right now to figure out the best way to do this. So I'm figuring it out. I'm taking the heat gun, taking my fingernail and getting it down to the edge. And then I'm going back over it with this X-Acto knife. Is that what you call it? X-Acto knife?
I think so.
X-Acto knife. I'm sure it's just a generic razor blade thingy. It's probably not an X-Acto knife brand, but it's working out.
Are you happy with how it's turned out?
I'm happy with how it's turned out so far. Now we got to figure out how we're going to paint it. Let's keep going. Oh yeah, I remember doing that. That took like 30 minutes, not 12 seconds.
Chase.
Good, buddy.
You're nearing the end of this piece.
I am. It's only taken me 3.5 days.
Has it been that long?
No, it's only been I don't know how long it's been. But look at this. We're pulling the last piece off. Now listen to it. You just gotta listen to it.
Listen to me. Man.
I hope y'all can hear that. That was very satisfying.
Man. You've done a fine job,
Ooh.
sir.
Yeah, thank you. I see a couple little spots I need to touch up.
Well, how do you feel overall about that experience? You feel like a pro now?
I'm a damn dope pro.
You're a damned old pro.
Yeah. Now, oh wait, we got these. Now, we got to figure out how we're going to paint it. I guess tape it off again. Let's do it. Also, you helping me tape this off?
Yeah, for a blind man.
Looks good, man. I like it.
I like it. I like it a lot.
All right, got one more piece. One more piece to wrap, and then we're off to painting. Hey, Russell.
What's up, Chashua?
I've got my 3 pieces taped off. What's up with you?
I'm slower than you because I suck.
No, you have a lot more detail.
I got all these circles.
I think we might rethink this.
I started on this before you.
Yeah, I was still.
I'm still go. You were still wrapping those. I'm still go.
Hey, we're gonna see if this works, and if it doesn't, we're gonna throw it all in the trash.
Start over.
Okay, I did not expect taping to take all day, but this took all day, and it looks like crap. My tape job.
It actually looks kind of cool.
All right, it looks kind of cool. We're about to dust it. Spray some paint on it. All right, I've got everything painted. I'm waiting for it to dry just a little bit, and I'm gonna start removing the tape. Our batteries died on our microphones and everything, so I had to charge them. But everything is painted. Moment of truth fixing to happen. Fixing to see if this works. You can't let it dry. That's one tip. I remember we let it dry on a previous project.
Oh, it looks so crispy.
Oh, that looks like crap right there.
It's because you dried.
And it didn't work. So you need to pull the paint off pretty quickly. That took a lot longer than I was expecting. We had to vinyl wrap it, then we had to tape it all off. The taping off with the fine line tape took the longest. But so if you plan on doing this, plan for an all-day affair, or if you're faster at taping, might take you less time. But anyways, we're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling this off. We're gonna see. That. I'm gonna say that was a success. And keep going. All right, the gimbal's dead. The batteries have been going dead on the microphones, but we're done for the day. We'll come in, and next is going to be working on the upholstery, which was what we were supposed to be doing today, but this took too long. Anyways, guys, I appreciate y'all watching. Do what makes you happy, and get out there and do some stuff, because I didn't think I could do this, and look, looks pretty good. See ya.